Welcome back to Site Tech Intermountain Earthworks training videos. I want to do another quick video on another thing that you can use the excavator measure mode for. It's only in excavators, not dozers, graders, or anything else, but it's measure mode. It's to be able to use your attachment out in front of you as a tape measure to actually check distances, heights of things, or even slopes. So what I'm going to use for example here is there's an existing slope right here for a ditch that's along this fence line right here. And we want to go ahead and continue to build it just like it is. There's a couple different ways you can do it, but while I'm in the machine, I can figure out exactly how deep this is from the fence line and what that slope is by using measure mode. So if I put my bucket tip right down at the bottom, the right tooth at the toe of the slope, I can go into the shovel with the gear, and I can go to measure mode in here, and I can make sure that I'm on the right side tip of my tooth. I can hit original. Right now in my units, I'm in percentages. I'm going to show you both different ways. So once I've hit original right there, I can drag the bucket up to the top of that slope. I can go right up by the fence right there. Now that I've got to the top, I can see that it's over 1234, 35. And on the top right here, it tells me how far up I came and what the slope is. So I've gone up 5.5 feet and the slope is 44%. Now, if you're not a slope person, you're more of a ratio guy, which I am when it comes to slopes. Let's do this one more time from the very bottom, but we're going to change the units. So I'm going to set down in the same spot. I'm going to cancel out of this. I'm going to go to my tablet with the gear, and I'm going to go to units, and I'm going to change both the main fall and the cross slope to ratio. If I go right back into the shovel with the gear and go down to measure mode, I'm going to do the same thing. Right tip, hit original, and if I drag up to that same exact spot up at the top right there and set down, I have about the same distance over, the same height, 1, 2 to 20. So there's my slope, there's my run. If I need to actually go and build a V-ditch in now, I can actually truthfully feel like I can match it. The other way you could do that is in infill design, you can actually use the attachment of your machine to figure that slope out. But don't forget that measure mode is in your excavators. It's super helpful, super handy, and it's very user-friendly anytime you need it. So thanks for watching this video from Site Tech Intermountain on measure mode.